Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading from the dates 21st to 30th of June. So this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest readings. I'll be looking at some of your past energies, present energies, as well as your immediate future energies. So let's get started with your reading. The overall energy is the star. I see there is some hope. There's something which you are thinking a lot. You are hoping some things to happen. Let's see. Okay, so your past energies are the death, the hanged man, and two of swords. There was something which ended, which I see, and something new began. But it made you more stagnant. You are not able to move from that situation because you are in some kind of confusion. You were in some kind of confusion. Your past energies were like, what should I do? Where should I go? I cannot go anywhere with this hangman. Yeah, you were stagnant. You were not, but something was there, something new, some kind of transformation happened in your life. Something new started in your life, but it made you more confused. Now what should I do? Oh my god. So is this happened for good? Is this happened for bad? There's that kind of an energy which I see. So your present energies, your present cards are the 10 of Swords, 6 of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Again, something ended. I see there's some kind of end with the past, basically. And you are ready, and some kind of new offer or some kind of a very emotional, going with the flow kind of energy you have right now. And you're not looking at the past because you want to end that past energies. And you are ready to move on, you are ready to go with the flow. If this new energy, whichever is there, it is there, so let's move on then. Why should I think about my past? This is good energy. And the future energies, I see the 8 of Rods, Queen of Rods, and 9 of Rods. There is a lot of rods over here, fire energy, and it's like it is going to happen soon. That kind of energy is there. There is some kind of communication, some kind of offer which you were waiting, so it is going to happen. But still there's some kind of blockages which I see. Like you are waiting for that energy. It is going to happen, but still the blockages are there. So let's clarify. Oh my god. So for the star card, the cards are Two of Rods, Queen of Swords, and Knight of Pentacles. The hope which you are the hope which is inside you, for which you are waiting for, it's like you are clear from your mind. You know you want this thing. You know, I am fine. I am ready to go. I am ready for everything. But it's taking time. It's like it's not moving anywhere with the Knight of Pentacles. It's like you are just standing, you're just sitting over there. Okay, where should I go now? It's that kind of energy. You know that from your mind it is clear. You are clear from your mind. But you know, time doesn't tell you that. The time is not in your favor, I guess. Your past energy, let's see the card, Death card, let's clarify that. You got Nine of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and the Judgment. Okay, so the transformation, the ending, it actually made you more worried because you were clear. You knew that I'm fine with everything, I'm ready. So, but still it didn't happen. So that is why you are worried, and it's like you are not able to sleep well, and it is like you're waiting. So, oh God, when it will happen? You see all the people standing over here and they are praying. Oh, when is the day going to come? So basically, you were waiting for that day, and that made you more worried, and that made you more stagnant, and it brought confusion. So let's see what is this Two of Swords, what kind of confusion. Okay, so it might be you are married, or there's some situation in which involves love. You might be dealing with a Leo with the Strength card. And okay, so I see that with the Two of Swords, you were clear. It was not something which you were not able to decide. Actually, you decided it. You were the one who was clear about it. You were ready, and you were holding on that fine, I am ready. So, but still it didn't happen, and that is why it made you worried. Not because you were not able to decide, but because you decided and then it didn't happen. So this is that kind of energy you had in your past. It can be anything, it can be any situation, anyone you are dealing with, anything like that. Let's clarify Ten of Swords. Yeah, again, same thing. You at present also you are ready to end things with the past, and you are ready to move on. Basically, this is kind of energy which is like, you know, you are dealing, and you know something has happened in my past life, or whatever. I have been through so many bad times, so now it's fine. I don't regret it. Fine, it happened with me, it happens with everyone. So you are very clear, you know that thing. So this is really good that you want to move on, and you are ready to explore something new. And that is why the Six of Swords is here, that you want to move on, you want to go into some calmer waters, and you are like, okay, so I am ready to end stuff, and let's move on then. And with the Hanged Man, it is again like that. You are ready to move on, but still, where should I go? So this is that. Let's clarify the Page of Cups. Yeah. So many Nine of Rods blockages are there in your life. Okay. So the Page of Cups is telling us that there is some kind of new energies which are there in your life presently. There is an offer of love coming towards you. Any offer, something like if you want to move somewhere, like if you are working somewhere and you want to move on, you want to go to some other work, or you want to join something else, some other job. So it's like you are ready, you have everything, you are ready, but still you are not able to. I really feel that this is because of the lockdown stuff. The things are very stagnant in your life, because all the cards which are coming here, they are not moving basically, they are just there, but from your mind you have moved on, but practically you are not able to move. So this is basically because of this lockdown stuff. And there is a new beginning with very stable beginning I see. And but you are not, see, again you are trapped, you are feeling trapped, you are, all your hands are tied. But actually this card also means that you think that your hands are tied, but actually it is just an illusion. Your hands are not tied. There is no restrictions. The blockages which you are feeling, these are the blockages which you made yourself. They are not actually the blockages. These are just hallucinations which are just coming in your mind, these illusions. But in reality, there is nothing like that. So if you are feeling, oh my god, I am not able to move, so this is basically, it's inside you. This is not actually happening. This is just a fake thing which is happening. Okay, let's see the Eight of Rods in future. Okay, I got 3. Okay, yeah. So the communication or anything which you wanted to happen, you were waiting for, it is going to happen. And with the World card, the whole process which you are dealing with, it is going to finish very soon. And what you wanted for, if you wanted to go on a new job, and it is going to happen with the Lovers card. It can be anything, whichever you want to deal with. If you want to deal with, there's someone in your life, someone you are dating, any person, if it is your work, so the past things are going to finish and you are going to move on into another cycle, because the World card is the last card of the major arcana. After the World card, it's the Fool again. That means this is the end of this cycle, and again a new cycle is going to start. So this is to be ready for it. But that, because of that, sorry, before that, 5 of Rods, conflicts will be there. So just be ready to see for the consequences as well, because everything happen with reason. If you want to move forward, you have to give something. It's like this is all karma based. The God is telling you, okay, you want this to happen, fine, I will give it to you, but you have to give something to me. So there will be some kind of conflicts which I will see, but there are not many bad conflicts. With the 5 of Rods, it's more of an arguments, more of a wordy things, not so much of like bad things which happen with the 5 of Rods. Let's see the 9 of Rods, because still there are some blockages. Let's see what is this. Cards are 3 of Cups, Page of Wands, and 9 of Pentacles. feel that with all this, that you will start something new. There will be celebration, which I see with the Three of Cups. You are celebrating about this new journey which you are going to start. But in between, I see that there is a person. Page of Wands, he is not mature enough. There is someone who will come, and I don't know why this third person is coming in my mind. There is someone who is very immature, and that person is actually creating the blockages, and that can be the third person. Like if you are wanting to move in a different job, you will celebrate. You are ready, you and your job. It's like you both are in front of each other, but a third person, someone is also coming, like there's a competition between both of you. So that is what is bringing the blockages, because that person is also, you know, associated with the same thing. If you are if there is there's only one occupancy for a job and you are two people, obviously there's a competition. So this is like there are many people in front of you, so you have to deal with everyone, then only you will get that job. But I see you celebrating, so it means that I think you will finally get that job. So that is why you are feeling happy, and you will. But you will meet conflicts. There will be arguments. You will be arguing with those people who are immature. They don't have any mind. They don't take things from, they don't think from their mind basically. So the overall energy which is coming is like, whatever you are ready for, it's all in your mindset. And if you are feeling that you are being blocked by someone or some situation, so it is just because you are thinking like that. It actually is not blocking you. Okay, so let's see some messages from the universe. What the universe wants you to know. Let's see. Okay, so the cards are the King of Cups, the Magician, and the Ace of Cups. The universe is telling you, for whatever you were manifesting, you have everything. It's just you who has to do it. You have the love, you have that new beginning. If that career related stuff, you have the job in front of you. There will be an opportunity coming towards you. It will be you, but who will take that decision. If you are dealing with other situation, it's just telling me that it's you who has to do it. Because with the magician will do the magic, okay? And that magician is you yourself. So don't wait for any some kind of magic to happen, because you will be the magician. You are the magician. Everything is in your hands. So you have to just, you have to just show your wand, and everything will change. And the things which will happen, they will be really good after that. So that's all from my side, Virgos. I really hope you like the reading. See you in the next video. Bye.